Hey everybody, this is Corey Danielle. I am coming to you on Beauty TV here with our first tutorial on eyebrows. So you're going to start off first with your rose water as your toner. The rose water has amazing benefits. It gives you a nice, healthy, natural glow. You can use this all over your face. I use this before I do any makeup process. Then you can go in with your primer. I like to use the Mineral Primer by e.l.f. It has a silicone base and it gives you a nice smooth finish for your makeup. So this is good if you're just doing brows and lashes or if you're doing a full face. Okay, let's go right into these brows. So get you a good pencil. I like to use a mechanical pencil just because it gives you an even look. You want to start at your bottom baseline and go from the inner brow to out to the tail, and then you're going to go on top of that and go the same way, but you're going to make your top line a little bit longer at the inner brow, and you'll bring it out around to meet the tip of the tail, and then you're just going to fill it in very, very lightly. I cannot tell you guys what that powder is yet, but please stay tuned and get ready to place your orders. You're going to put a little powder that's just going to help set the pencil in place. And then after you set the pencil in place, you want to make sure that you go in with a spoolie and you take that bottom line, you go up, and you take the top line and you go down. You blend those two together because that's going to give you a nice natural look for your eyebrows. Okay, that look a little cute, but I'm still not satisfied with it, so I wanted to go in and just fix that inner brow a little bit more and make it a little more defined, just to my liking. You don't have to do this, but if it's not to your liking, just remember that makeup is a form of art. If you don't like it, you can always go back in and fix it. Next, you're going to grab your angled arch brush. I like to use angled arch brushes to do my highlighting for my brows because it has that straight tip on there and it's very firm. So it gives you more of a straight line and it gives you more control to get the defined look that you want. So I suggest that everybody has an angled arch brush in their kit. That'll be available too. Yes ma'am, that's what I like to see. Now we're going to go in with our loose setting powder. I like to use Black Radiance. It gives you a nice finish. It's not a heavy product at all. It's very lightweight. You're going to go in and just blend out all your lines from the concealer or foundation, whichever one you choose to use. And that will be it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that you will like, share, and subscribe. See you later.